Hello guys, it's Ozzy. Sorry the vlog is late. I had a bit of a problem and stuff, so I decided that I would just make a really quick one and open a question and answer. Now, just do a question and answer in the comments. I won't be doing my intro this time because, well, like I said, this is a short vlog. This is like a mini vlog. Every 6 o'clock hour will be a mini vlog. I do vlogs from the afternoon every hour until, well, from the afternoon to 6 o'clock at night, and it's hourly. It's not like minutely or something and stuff. The hourly thing is only for spring break. After spring break, I will be doing vlogs from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. I'm sorry guys, I just won't be able to post them in the morning. Bye guys, and subscribe! Oh, and you can't ask any personal questions like, oh, where does Ozzy live? Oh, I wonder what Ozzy's maiden name is. Wait, Ozzy's not a girl. Yeah, I'm mad. Or, I wonder what Ozzy's last name is. It's probably Martinez. Well, really, Ozzy's last name is Martinez, but it's not Pumastar 51's last name. Even though Pumastar 51's last name does start with an M, it's not Martinez. Trust me. In fact, Pumastar 51 just made my last name Martinez because, well, she thought it was cute. I mean, Ozzy Martinez. That sounds like a pretty cute Australian name, don't you think? Just rolls off the tongue. Ozzy Martinez. Ozzy Martinez. Bye guys, and subscribe. Oh, I landed on the table. Also, look, 13 subscribers. If I get 30 by the end of tomorrow, I will do a raffle, probably. I'm not sure if I will or not. I probably won't, but I will be doing shout-outs every hour. Wait, this isn't even bouncy. Wait, what? Ow, ow, ow. Bye guys, and subscribe.